Wade Heineman. Nutsy showed back up again. There he is. So, just as I wrote that I did that last video, he came back. So, you see there he is. And here's me. So, Bill Wade Heineman. Here's it's still February 12th, 2023. I don't know what time it is. It's afternoon sometime. Twitter.com/realwade51, REALWADE51, YouTube.com/@WadeAllenHeineman. That's the only place I post videos. @WadeAllenHeineman. You have to put the whole thing in your browser though. YouTube.com/Wade Allen Heineman. WadeAllenHeineman. Green eyes as always. The blue-eyed fraud needs to go to prison. There's my scarred hand. And again, home since 2/7 at about 7:15 p.m. By myself as always. No communication with anyone. Not any alcohol since August 6th. I don't think about alcohol. I've never been an alcoholic. I just, it's only when I choose to drink or not drink. I haven't had any alcohol since August 6th. Never been a pot smoker, never been a smoker, never been into drugs of any kind, of any way. Never done cocaine, never done meth or anything like that. So, here are my old papers. One, the 10th. Here's one from the 9th. Here's one from the 7th. Here's one from the 11th. And one from the 3rd. There's probably other ones in here. I just not going to try and find them. I'll do this real quick again. Show that I'm home. Me through the windshield. Again, I said what I said about Miley Cyrus because, again, I did not know who she was really, like her personality, who she really is.